Assalamu alaikum. This is Real Life Maths Preschool 2 Reader Plus workbook suitable for 4 to 5 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 3 and page number 4. Look at this, children. These are 2 bananas. Listen again, children. 2 bananas. Listen one more time, children. 2 bananas. And this is 2. Say again, children, this is 2. Say one more time, children, this is 2. Now say with me, 2 bananas. Say again, children, 2 bananas. Let's count these banana, children. 1, 2, 2. These are 2 banana. Listen again, children, 2 banana. Children, now you have to trace this number 2. Remember, children, you have to put your pencil on the starting point and then you will follow the arrows 2. Put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrows 2. Children, you have to trace this 2 5 times. Remember, children, you will put your pencil on the starting point and then you have to follow the arrows 2. Look at this, children. There are some more 2's in these boxes. You have to trace all of these 2's. You will put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrows. And in this picture, children, there are 2 banana. Let's count this banana. 1, 2. These are 2 banana. Children, now you have to color these banana. Remember, children, you will color these banana up to down. You will not color these banana left to right, and you have to color inside the banana. After coloring these 2 banana, children, now you have to trace this 2 again 5 times. You will put your pencil on the starting point and you have to follow the arrows. After tracing this 2 5 times, children, you have to trace all of these 2 in these boxes again. And look at this, children, these are 2 stars. Let's count them. 1, 2. These are 2 stars. 2 stars. Say again, children, 2 stars. Children, in this picture there are 2 more stars. You have to color these 2 stars. Remember, children, you will color these 2 stars up to down. You will not color them left to right, and you have to color them inside the stars. After coloring these 2 stars, children, now you have to trace these 2 in these boxes. Remember, children, you will put your pencil on the starting point and follow the arrows 2. And in the remaining boxes, children, you have to write 2's by yourself. You will start from the starting point and follow the arrows 2.